All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Monday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes during the first half hour of the stream, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. So make sure to like the stream, make sure to call your mom, tell your mom, hey ma, come here and like the stream, because there's this guy, Jason Casper. He's a real good looking guy, and his technical analysis is very juicy, like I said, of uneven butt cheeks. And depending on what happens today, we're going to see if the Bitcoin price is going to pump or dump. You don't want to miss this, so mom, please come like the dang stream. Huge shout out to everybody in the chat. And by the way, guys, shout out to all our sponsors. First of all, huge major shout out to Market Cipher, #1 trading indicator that you could have on Trading View. Also a huge major shout to MEXC, the exchange I'm currently trading on. A huge major shout out to MEXC, the best deal on fees that you could possibly get, guys. 0% limit order fees, 0.02% take order fees unless you're holding 1,000 MX tokens, then it's 0.01%. All right, great deal on fees. Also a huge shout out to BingX, another exchange I'm currently trading on, guys, in a very large, well, it's not that large, in a short trade, a hedged short trade, in case we go straight to Dump City, guys. If you sign up for BingX, you can get up to $6,200 to trade with. And the question on everybody's mind right now is, well, it was that weekly close very bearish, okay? Was it very bearish? Because we did close the weekly candle below the previous all-time high. Okay, so people are wondering, is this going to dump down? We're going to be getting into the price action today. Also, first of all, a massive, huge shout out to my man, J-Boy Bullish in the chat, holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to MNN Legend 777 who says hello to you. Shout out to D-Mac. He says, yeah. I think Bitcoin to around 61 before another leg up. Good for altcoins in the long run. I'm hodling and adding to Phil and Zek. Cool, man. Shout out to Without God, There Is Nothing. He says the markets have been waiting on my boy Casper to pump. Shout out to Brian Barrett. He says shout to mom. Shout out to Fettuccine Genie, who says shout out to Jason Casper. God bless you, brother. Shout out to Dome Life. 10,000 USDT giveaway. 1,000 USDT giveaway. Shout out to Remember God's Love. Shout out to Clifford. Shout out to It's Geo. Shout out to Kane. He says we will go down to 51 to 55 for sure. Man, Kane, I'll be honest with you. Those are some of my targets to the downside. Huge shout out to Prime. He says, guys, I have 1.5 thousand in Bitcoin right now. Should I add another 10K right now? You guys answer him in the chat. I cannot give financial advice like that because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a Pikachu hat, okay? A Pikachu hat, a Market Cipher shirt, and a dirty plunger on the face, baby. So y'all answer my man in the chat, okay? But while you're answering him, make sure to like the stream, guys, because I do want to give away $1,000 today. Alright, shout out to Rockton Road. My thoughts on CERN. Oh my goodness, it's a little bit concerning, my friend. Are they going to rip open the fabric of the universe? Bring through demonic entities? Who knows, man? Are they going to edit the history? Change the future? I don't know. Who knows what they're doing over there, man? Very mysterious. Who knows, man? I don't know. I'm not the person to ask. You better go ask Gon Shimura about that one. All right. Shout out to my man, David Cordero. He says, come on, guys. 950 watching and only 255 likes. Shout out to Dotfish. He says, full send, baby. Will bounce from 62K. All right. Huge shout out to Javad Shafiri. He says, God bless you all. God bless you as well. Shout out to Zidane. He says, JC, you are the best. I am not the best, my friend. All right, we got 1,000 people in here. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes. So, guys, let's talk about what is happening right now to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if you've been following the channel all last week, okay, every single one of these pivots, guys, was given on stream. All right. First of all, pivot number 1. Last week, the 13th of March, we took this long trade live, hit a new Bitcoin all-time high. The following day, I said this is the level to watch for the bounce. We get the bounce. The following day, yes, we were getting a bounce from the POC, but I said if we lose that, we're going to come down to the white box. We are currently bouncing from the white box. Huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, guys, because we did give this setup in advance, and we were crushing it yesterday, guys, in the Casper Crew. We gave the juiciest long setup yesterday for a massive profit. Of course, that trade is now closed out in profits, but I still have this long open here. And here's the thing, guys, if we're going to see Bitcoin right now go higher, right? If we're going to see Bitcoin go higher, I'd say this level needs to hold. All right, this golden pocket right here needs to hold. If not, if this golden pocket does not hold, then it's likely that we're going to take the low out that we made on Sunday. Okay, so I'm going to do some higher term time frame analysis here. I want to do some higher term time frame analysis. I want to start on the weekly time frame. All right, because the weekly time frame is looking a little bit concerning. All right, shout out to my man. Shout out to my man asking about CERN, right? This is a little concerning, all right? Joe Potter says this is a concern. Yes, this is a concern. Oh, man, it's just so punny. It goes on forever and ever and ever, all right? Okay, so here's the deal, guys. Here is where we currently find ourselves. You know, I never thought we would get here, you know, but this is what we see, guys. Weekly close below the previous all-time high, all right? Weekly close below the previous all-time high. What does this mean? Well, historically speaking, y'all, when we get the weekly close below the previous all-time high, it means we can expect a little bit more of a retracement. Just a little bit more of a retracement. Now, here's the thing. When we look at this chart, we are, number one, printing a red dot on the weekly. So this makes me think, and I'm talking about higher term time frame analysis. I'm not telling anybody to short Bitcoin right now. All right? I'm not saying to short. I'm not saying we're going straight down. Weekly confirmations and stuff like this, guys, they take some time. All right, they take some time to play out. They take some time to play out. And so, look, we could still get a move up today. We could get a move up tomorrow. But in general, I'd say that the weekly time frame says we should be looking for a little bit more downside, or at least sideways consolidation. At least for a little bit. And the reason I say that is because historically, when we break out of an all-time high, and we do so with a little bit of trouble, right? Let's take a look here. Look at this. Back in 2017, we broke the all-time high just barely, and then we printed a purple doji candle, and then we had another 2 weeks of correction before the big break. All right, so we fast forward to our present day, and what are we seeing? Well, we just broke the all-time high. We printed a purple doji. Now we're printing a red dot on weekly market cipher. The last time we printed a red dot on weekly market cipher, guys, it did give us consolidation and movement to the downside, right? So we ended up with another 11% move to the downside after a push up. So altogether, we actually ended up with about a 20% downturn there with that last weekly red dot. So all I'm saying is this: I don't really like the way the weekly has closed here. I was hoping it would be a stronger weekly candle. Now, the one thing that is nice about this weekly close is that we did not close below this very key level. This very key level right here, coming in at around 65,500. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we actually held that level as support. Now, what I really don't want to see right now is Bitcoin start to lose that level of 65,500. If we do, then we just need to objectively say that on this weekly chart, I'm not trying to be bearish, guys. Like, that's the thing. Like, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I hold a lot of Bitcoin on spot, right? So I'm not rooting for the price to go down. I want the price to go up, all right? I'm trying to retire, baby. So, look, the only support we really have, if we lose that previous weekly level, is going to be around $52,000. Now, when we just look at this chart, okay, we can clearly see that there is no support. There is literally no support on the way down here, right? Besides this weekly order block that we have right here, there is no support. So it could be a very, very, very smooth move to the downside, right? Very smooth. So we just need to be aware of that. And I'm not saying that we're going to dump today, but we do need to be aware that it could happen. All right, let's go back to the hourly. Now, this morning, the hourly was looking pretty bullish. Here's the thing. Technically speaking, we do have a bullish scenario. And the reason why I'm still holding my long trade right now is because I am still smoking the hopium that this is actually going to play out. This bullish scenario that I'm showing you, I'm smoking the hopium that this is going to play out. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Yes! Okay. Do you guys see this? We got ourselves a parallel channel right here. In addition, we take all the volume that we've traded within the parallel channel, and we are, as you can see right now, getting a bounce from the value area low of the range, reclaiming the parallel channel, and then potentially coming down to make a higher low into the Fibonacci golden pocket zone right around here, okay? And then continue on up to the top of the channel. I'm still smoking the hopium that this could happen because it could still happen, all right? It's starting to look less likely as we're seeing another red drop printing on the 4 hour here, but we could get a nice game of red dot, green dot, where we do get a nice uneven butt cheek pattern forming on the 4 hour time frame as we come into that key golden pocket area of support. All right, now that golden pocket area of support is coming in at approximately $66,200. If we start to see our good friend Dolores at the diner rear her cheeks at this key level, then that could be what we need to actually hold support. But if we lose that level, then I think we see lower prices. So what are some lower prices that we could be looking at? Well, first of all, we've already established the fact that this is our major support resistance flip down here at around 52K. And we do have a lot of confluences down toward this level, but mostly I would say we have a lot of volume at this level, right? We have a very high volume node at this level, where basically from the day of February 14th all the way to February 26th, so basically 2 weeks of price action of volume right here. And plus, it's a weekly order block, and we do have some single prints that will be filled down there as well. So this is the major level I'm looking at, but we also do need to keep in mind that we have some other areas that I am currently interested in. So first of all, whenever we get a move over the weekend, we need to be cautious, right? We need to look at it a little side-eyed, because we cannot trust weekend price action, all right? We cannot trust weekend price action. So essentially, what we need to be aware of is basically giving everything back, because we put that low in on a Sunday, giving everything back. And we could either just do a liquidity grab of Sunday's low, which happens often, or we look down to our 786 Fibonacci, right? The 786 Fibonacci. Because what do we know about the 786 Fibonacci? Let's see. Where's my 786 Fibonacci? Look at this. This is my video editing software. I lost my picture of the 786. Here she is. What do we know about the 786 Fibonacci? Aha. Here she is. The 786 Fibonacci. She is one tough cookie, all right? She is one tough cookie. She's definitely not going to let us pass through that level, all right? She is not going to let us pass through that level. Do not mess with the 786 Fibonacci. So oftentimes you guys will notice if we get a bounce from the 618, which we did on Sunday, and then we lose it, we will bounce from that 786 level. Now, if we do bounce from the 786 level, I will actually become much more bearish. And the reason why is because that's another lower low, right? We got our high, our low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, and our lower low. Now, if we are going to lose 62K, then we have to be aware of this little support that we have around 57. And then honestly, we're going to be looking down to around 52K. All right, now the Bitcoin price is getting a little bit of a move to the downside here, guys. All right, we're coming down toward a golden pocket, right? So I really want to watch and see what happens here. New York has been open now for about 20 minutes. And so the question I'm really wondering to myself right now is the following. Like, you know, I'm still holding on to this long trade. You know, obviously, I'm still in this head short trade. And I have not taken any profits out of this head short trade, because here's the thing. As long as we keep making lower lows and lower highs, I am not going to close this short trade. But right now, I am looking at this chart thinking to myself, is it possible that this is going to be a introverted head and shoulders? An ugly looking one too, because it's slanted downwards. But are we going to come down to here and then actually break out? This is why I'm still holding this long trade right here, right? So let's watch and see. Bitcoin coming down toward this level. Don't want to really see this level lost. All right. Let's see here. We're watching closely. We're watching carefully to see what happens as Bitcoin's starting to get a little bit of a dumperoni. All right. We just made a lower low. So we're coming on down to our Fibonacci golden pocket level. Let's see what happens. Coming down to the fib level. Let's see if we come down. And let's see if we get a reaction at the fib level. All right, here we go. Getting a little drop-a-roni. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat right now. We got some people in the chat. Shout out to my man, your average crypto bro. Shout out to your average crypto bro. Your long is trapped. You need a shout out. Shout out to you, my bro. May your long become untrapped. All right, we're getting that move down. Here we go. All right, we really want to keep our eyes on this box here, on this level right here. This is the level. We want to see a bounce from the level, y'all. We want to see a bounce from the level. Let's see. And if we lose it, man, I might close out the long. I might close out the long if we lose it. All right, huge shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, Brian Farr hopes it turns around soon. Look, guys, if the blue circle is lost, we're going straight down. We're going straight on down if that blue circle is lost. All right, we don't want to lose the blue circle. All right, we definitely do not want to lose that blue circle. It's a slow move, guys. It's not going as fast as we would want. Let's see. Let's go to a lower time frame here. Let's go to a lower time frame. All right. Now, if we pump up above that yellow line, we might not come down there just yet, but holding below that yellow line means more downside for sure. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Here we go. All right, make sure to like the dang video. We got 1,600 people in here. Only 400 likes. All right. The closer you get to the drain, the faster you spin, says Joe Potter. Yeah, look, guys, this circle right here, this needs to hold. We want to see a bounce from that circle. Otherwise, I might close this trade here. If we see a bounce from the circle, I'm gonna be hodling this thing. All right, we got about $200,000 on the trade right here. Setup given in advance. All right. Well, this is not the setup. This is the setup. This is hopefully going to keep us in the trade. In the trade, right? The fib levels. Shout out to the fib levels. All right. Check out the 6-minute time frame. All right, let's check out the 6-minute time frame. She looks bullish, man. She looks bullish. But she looked bullish earlier today as well. 6-minute time frame also looked bullish earlier today as well. So, I don't know. It does look bullish. If we take a look at the 6-minute time frame right here, guys, we can see that she is printing bullish divergences. All right, so maybe we get a move up from here. All right, this is possible because we have taken out the low, a local low, with some potential bullish divs here. So yeah, it's possible, guys. It's possible. Oh man, now we're starting to pump. Now we're starting to pump. All right, so maybe, look, maybe we could stay in the trade a little bit, right? Maybe we could stay long a little bit. All right, if this holds, okay. If this holds, okay, great. All right, let's watch. Let's watch and wait. Let's watch and wait before we come to any rash decisions here. All right. Are we, maybe we're back testing this yellow line, right? Remember, this yellow line is key support resistance flip right now. So we need to hold above it. This is actually the big decision right now, if we're going to hold above it or drop below it, because look, we have just come back. If we go to the 1-minute time frame, look, we lost the level, back test. So this is the moment where we see, are we going to lose it or are we going to reclaim it, right? This is the moment right here. This 1-minute candle close is going to tell us whether or not. All right, 1-minute candle closes, and that's technically a little bit bullish. We could look for a little bit of a move to the upside here. All right. Man, maybe we're not going to hit our blue circle today, guys. All right, maybe we're not going to hit our blue circle today. All right. All right. All right, we got a candle close. We got a candle close above the yellow line. All right, let's check out some other stuff here. Let's go back to our good old market cipher B. All right, 6-minute bull divs. 6-minute bull divs, are they going to save us? Are they going to get us out of the woods here? Okay, look at this. We got a big BitBoy green dot on the 6-minute time frame. So, this actually is looking like maybe we get a move to the upside from here. Maybe we don't hit our box. And here's the thing. If we don't hit the golden pocket, then that's okay, obviously, because this is the level that needs to hold, really. This is the level that needs to hold. Otherwise, we're going down much, much lower. Right, so this is encouraging to see Bitcoin holding this level right now. It's encouraging to see Bitcoin hold this level right now. All right, Bitcoin, let's go. Let's check out what's happening now. We see bullish divs on the 6-minute. We see bullish divs on the 5-minute. Let's go to the 12-minute. How's the 12-minute looking right now? Wow, bullish divergences on the 12-minute as well. Look, we had bull divs on the 12-minute when we took this out this morning, and we didn't get much follow through. So just keep that in mind, that these bullish divs on the 12-minute so far have not been playing out very nicely. All right, they so far have not been playing out very nicely, but CDW confirmed. CDW confirmed right here, taking the low with a bullish div on the 12-minute. Let that be what it is. All right, CDW confirmed on the 12-minute. So take it for what it is, guys. Maybe we get a move up. Maybe we get a move up. All right. All right. Let's see who we got in the chat. All right, look at that, man. Check out our 24. Even the 24. Dancing on the line, guys. Dancing on the line. Dancing on the line. All right. Let's see what we can get from this one, y'all. Let's see if we get a move up. And let's check out the order book as well, which is not really loading for me. Let's see if we can't get... Aha, here we go. This is very, very delayed. I have to fix my computer right now. I have to fix my computer. All right, so we had a lot of longs get wrecked, and we actually had some shorts open up at these lows. All right, we had some shorts open up at these lows. We got some bull divs on the 12-minute. Let's see if we can't get a little move to the upside, guys. Let's see if we can't get a little move to the upside here. All right, shout out to Genesis with the super chat, who says, I always wonder why you long and short on your phone. That's the way to do it, man. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. It's always better. It's always easier to input from the phone. All right, let's see if we have any other super chats in the house. Let's see if we have any other super chats in the house. All right, shout out to my man, your average crypto bro. Shout out to Genesis. We got the longs in the house. Super chats in the house, baby. All right, it's coming back down. It's coming back down. It's coming back down. Let's see if we hold this level, guys. Let's see if our market cipher B is going to be good to us. Let's see if market cipher B is going to be good to us here. Let's see market cipher B. Let's see market cipher B giving us the 12-minute divs. 1-minute money flow also looking good. Let's see. Let's see. We need to we honestly need to come above this level here. If we can't do that, we're coming down to our golden pocket. We're coming down to our golden pocket. It's not looking so great, man. It's not looking so great right now. Let's see. Come on, 12-minute market cipher B. Come on, 6-minute market cipher B. Come on, baby. You got this. All right. You got this. Let's see. Let's see if it holds. This is pretty epic music, too. Shout out to everybody in chat. We got about 1,800 people in here. Only 642 likes. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers, guys. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers. All right, we're coming down to the wire right now, guys. This is the wire. The 786 Fibonacci. Locally here. If we lose this, we're probably coming down to our more macro golden pocket. All right, let's see how she goes here. Let's check out our 5-second time frame. Let's see. Money flow not looking so great on the 5-second time frame. Let's see how she goes down to the 786, baby. Let's see. Let's see. She's not looking so great. All right, shout out to everyone in chat. This line has to hold. All right, Khalid wants to take it down to 52K. J-Boy Bullish, who is talking to Steve, he says rotate it to Pepe. Rotate it to Pepe, huh? Okay, all right. I don't know. All right, shout out to Osiris in the chat. Huge shout out to my man, your average crypto bro, also in the chat. Oh, wow, I'm way behind in the chat. I'm way behind in the chat. Shout out to Joe Potter. He says ape the like button. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. SPX don't want to make up its mind either. All right, 4 hours to sell. Divine Hood says Surface 9. Yo, Surface 9. Surface 9, bro. What is going on, my man? So good to see you here, Surface 9. God bless you, bro. I hope everything's cool with you, man. Street sweeper, baby. The golden pocket is super important to hold, says Divine Hood. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right. We got Joe Potter in the chat. We got JC Stylish in the chat. JC Stylish says, need that 1,000. Buy a sack of lobsters. All right. Look, guys, we didn't get 1,000 likes, but we do have 2,000 people in the chat right now. So, look. If we can get, in the next 5 minutes, 1,000 likes, all right? It's so easy. We just need 300 people to like the stream. We get 1,000 likes in 5 minutes. I will be giving away 1,000 USDT, all right? So in 5 minutes, I'm going to set a timer on my phone right now for 5 minutes. All right? Let's see if we can't do that giveaway. All right? Everyone like the video right now. All right. Shout out to Tim Johnson, who made his own channel. I'll have to check it out, Tim Johnson. All right, let's see if we can't get the likes, guys. Let's see if we can't get the likes. All right, now again, remember, we're looking at this yellow line here. Yellow line. Yellow line. If yellow line holds not, we look down to the 618, the blue circle. This blue circle needs to hold, man. I mean, this really needs to hold. Otherwise, we could come down much, much, much lower here. All right, we come down much, much lower here. Bitcoin struggling. Bitcoin getting a little strug. Getting a little strug. Look, I thought we were getting a little CDW here. We confirmed a closed 12-minute candle above. We confirmed a closed 5-minute candle above. We got some bull divs on the 6-minute. But now Bitcoin's like, just kidding. She's just kidding, it looks like. All right, now it looks like we're going to come down a bit lower here. We're losing the line again, guys. We're losing it. Come on, Bitcoin. Make up your mind. Make up your dang mind. Come on. What's it going to be? What's it going to be, Bitcoin? You're going to lose this level? You're going to come down to our box? All right. Now, guys, again, if the blue box doesn't hold, we are dumping on down. We are going to take a massive dump, and we're going to probably come down to around this level right here. All right. If this golden pocket that we see here does not hold. All right, we got a golden pocket right here. So let's mark out the two lines, all right? We're looking for this level right here. First blue line. First blue line must hold. If first blue line doesn't hold, I wouldn't be surprised if we come down to blue line number 2. All right? 62K, if that doesn't hold, I would not be surprised if we come down to 57. 57 doesn't hold, we're coming down to 52, guys. So this is really, potentially, where we could see Bitcoin come down to. All right? This is where we could potentially see Bitcoin come down to. But you know what's crazy right now, guys, is that Bitcoin does not want to make up her mind with this little level here, but it's looking weak. It's looking weak. All right, it's looking weak right here. It's looking weak right here. Let's check out the I want to look at the 5 second one more time and just see what's going on here on the 5 second. Man, our 6 minute bullish divergence with an uneven butt cheek. Man, I shouldn't have trusted that. I shouldn't have trusted that. But let's see how this goes. Let's see here. Looks like she's about to print another red dot. 1 minute. 1 minute. Man, I'll tell you guys, when the bullish divs don't play out very nicely, that tends to mean we could expect some more downside. I'll be honest with you. Look at the 12 minute. Reluctant to print the dot. All right, here we go. All right, guys. We got 1,000 likes. You know what that means? We're doing a $1,000 giveaway. We're doing a $1,000 giveaway, baby. All right, shout out to everybody getting a $1,000 giveaway. All right, we're going to do a $1,000 giveaway in this stream, guys. So hold tight, all right? Hold tight. Hold tight. All right. All right, we got it. All right, guys. Let's see what happens here. We lost that level again. It's looking really bad. All right. It's looking not so great. Shout out to Basel Ba. He says, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. All right. Let's check it out here, guys. I'm in a long underwater. All right. I'm in a long underwater. All right. Let's see if this plays out. All right. I thought we were going to get a CDW here. All right, I'm in a long underwater. In a long underwater. Entry is resistance. Entry is resistance. All right. Bullish divs on the 6 minute. I thought was going to play us out. Thought we were going to get a move up. All right. Thought we were going to get a move up. Okay, it's not looking so great for your boy, Jason Casper. Jason Casper in a long trade underwater, guys. In a long trade underwater. All right, we're making lower lows and lower highs. We're rejecting off the 21 EMA on the 1 minute consistently. Okay. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish in the chat. All right, OCHS says very bullish right now. All right, huge shout to Remember God's Love. Huge shout to Kessium Cyber, who says good luck. Thank you. All right. Huge shout out to Junie Pineda, who says $1,000. Yeah, we're gonna give a $1,000 giveaway, guys. We're gonna give a $1,000 giveaway. All right. So this is not looking very good. I'll be honest with you guys. This is looking pretty not so good for your boy, Jay Casper. Man, it's not looking so great, huh? It's looking pretty bad. All right, let's check it out. It's looking pretty not so good, man. We've even got longs coming in here getting trapped, including my own. All right, we've got longs in here getting trapped. Market cipher. False alarm on the 6 minute. CDW. Red dot on the 1 minute. All right, man. Scary stuff, guys. Scary stuff. All right. Scary stuff. Shout out to Muay or Destiny. He says, will you eat the loss? I will eat the loss. But sadly, this is going to be my first loss after a pretty big win streak, honestly. My last few trades they've all been juicy wins, man. So this is going to be my first loss in a while. I could technically close it out right now for a win. For a win! I could close it out right now for a win. Oh, just kidding. Now I can't. Now I can't. All right, 66.6 support, says Joe Potter. Ooh, is that the golden pocket? 66.6? 66.6? Oh my goodness. 66.6 support. Nah, it's 66.2, but interesting. 66.6 is where we found support. 66.6 is where we are currently bouncing from. Wow. All right, man. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. All right. All right, we're going to do a giveaway, guys. We're going to do a giveaway. Make sure to like the stream. We got 2,300 people in here. Make sure to like the stream because we're going to be doing a giveaway. All right, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Oh no. All right, guys, I have to take a pee, all right? I'll be right back. Watch the trade for me and make sure to like the stream. Crap, guys. Stopped out, man. Horrible. Absolutely terrible. $1,000 loss, baby. $1,000. Can you believe that? Man, I'm about to lose $2,000 today because we are doing a $1,000 giveaway. All right. We're doing a $1,000 giveaway. All right, so let's see. Month of March. We're still in the juiciest profits, even with a loss. All right, guys. We're still in the juiciest profits, even with a loss. All right, let's check it out now. Because as we are losing money left and right, okay, we are coming down to the Fibonacci Golden Pocket, which must hold, okay? The Fibonacci Golden Pocket must hold. And this is coming in at 66,280. All right, 66,280. 66,280. If this does not hold, it's not looking so good. All right, it's not looking so good. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm going to take some profits. Whoa. I'm not logged in. What the heck? Hang on. Bear with me 1 second here, guys. Dang it. Bitcoin. She's getting a bounce now. Now she's getting a dang bounce, man. She's getting a bounce now. That's what happened. Stopped out and then bounced. All right, I got to log back in. Hang on. Give me 1 second here, guys. Welcome to the Flop and Grope Show live. with your boy Jason Casper. All right. It happens, guys. You know, today. What are you gonna do? You win some, you lose some. All right. You get stopped out, and then the price pumps. Man, you know, make sure to like the stream, guys. We are going to be doing a giveaway here. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that, guys? Can you even believe it? Can you even believe it? Well, it happens, guys. It happens, all right? It happens. Now we've got that green dot printing on the 12. That's what I wanted in the first place, man. That's what I wanted in the first place. Man, don't you hate when that happens? Put a 1 in the chat if you hate when the price stops you out and then does what you thought it was going to do. It happens to us all. All right? Happens to us all. Happens to us all. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Man, my wife, my beautiful wife, she's absolutely amazing. All right. Okay, guys, so I do want to take a little bit of profit out on this long trade here just to pay myself back. Just to pay myself back. There we go. Paid back, baby, and then some. All right, paid back and then some. All right, you know what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna be doing a giveaway. We got 2,500 people in the chat. If everybody likes the video right now, we'll give a $1,500 giveaway if we can get 2,500 likes in the next 5 minutes. All right. We get 2,500 likes in the next 5 minutes. We will be giving away 1,500 USDT, baby. Man, now that 12-minute is, if we start to make higher highs here, guys, if we take this high right here, this one up here, we come above that one, then we could see more upside. But until we do that, we're technically still in bearish market structure. You know, until we do that, we're technically still in bearish market structure. Technically still bearish market structure. Ain't no reason to get overly bullish yet. All right, ain't no reason yet, but we shall see. All right, huge shout out to Coin25. He's short. He's short. He says, shh, I'm short. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody that I'm short. All right. All right, yeah, it's happened to a lot of you guys. You guys got a 1 in the chat. You guys get stopped out and then price goes your way. It really is the worst, man. It is the worst. But you know what? It's part of the game. It happens. It's part of the game. It happens. All right. All right, let's see. Making another lower high here. Just keeping with the trend thus far. All right, well, let's see. Let's see what happens with this here. Let's see what happens with this here. Let's check out our 6-minute market cipher. Man, 6-minute looks good though, you know? It looked good before and it looks even better now. 5-minute uneven butt cheeks. 12-minute uneven butt cheek printing. Man. You know, if we take this high, Then maybe I'll look for a long entry like this again, and try again, and try again. All right, huge shout out to Fabcat. He says close the long, bro. Too late, it's already closed. Huge shout out to CFX Trades. Shout out to the JC community. All right, you guys ready to do a giveaway? I'm gonna go ahead and post on Twitter that I'm doing a giveaway. Alrighty. Alright, so guys, here's what we're gonna do, alright? Here's what we're gonna do. We are going to do the giveaway. What I want you guys to do is I want you to spam the chat. Or I want you to spam the chat. And what's gonna happen is whoever is highlighted on my cursor when I count down is going to win the giveaway. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready for the giveaway? All right, let's do it. We don't have 2,500 likes, but let's do it. All right, I'm gonna count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, spam the chat. 1, spam the chat, guys. Spam the chat. Spam the chat. All right, 1, 0. All right. And our winner is, a huge shout out to our winner. Heoxianar. Heoxian, just Heoxian. R is what he said. All right, Heoxian, you won. Congratulations, Heoxian. Heoxian, spam the chat, bro. I want to see you in here, Heoxian. All right, I want to see you in here, Heoxian. And then I'll make you a mod, and you can give me your tether address. All right. Let's see, Heoxian, where you at, Heoxian? Where's Heoxian at? Heoxian. Whoever's disliking, what the heck, bro? I'm giving away $1,000. I just took a $1,000 loss and I'm giving away $1,000. You're dislike the stream? Come on, man. That's so silly. All right, Heoxian, I see you, bro. All right, I'm gonna make you a moderator. All right, and then you just put your USDT address in here, okay? Put your USDT address in here, man. It could be Ethereum or Tron. Put it on in. And then I will send you 1,000 tethers. All right? I'll send you 1,000 tethers. You know, if you dislike the video, it keeps a log in my YouTube dashboard. So you're all of you who disliked are disqualified from future giveaways. I can view all the metrics. So all you guys who disliked, you're going to be disqualified from future giveaways. You're on a black list, you know? It's like how you end up on a list in America or in the West. If you think men are men and women are women. If you dislike this video, bro, you're on a list. You're in an extremist group, bruh. All right, let's see, my man. Post your address in here. All right. Post your address, my man. Shout out to Service 9. All right, let's see. All right, let's head back over to the trades here. Let's head on back over to the trades. All right. All right, bro. I need you to pop your address into the chat. I need you to pop your address into the chat. All right, you need a sec. All right, hurry, bro. Hurry. 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 All right. We're going to do a timer. You got 2 minutes. If not, we're going to do another giveaway. All right, let's get the timer on here. It's a race against the clock. It's a race against the clock. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's a race against... Oh, we got it. Shout out to my man, Hexonian. All right, awesome. All right, you got it, bro. You got it, my man. All right, I'm going to be sending it to you. All right, I'm about to send you the money, man. All right, sent, baby. Sent. Sent to you, my friend. Congratulations for winning the money. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing. Alrighty. Okay, guys, look at this, man. We have just reclaimed that level, which means more upside is possible now. That is crazy. All right, that is crazy. So let's go to our 1 minute time frame here and check it out. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Change of market structure, baby. Look at that, man. That is crazy. I'll be honest with you. That is crazy. All right. That is crazy. All right, well, you know what this means, guys? It means that this long trade is potentially a not so bad position. Look, if now we continue up from here, well, that's great. If we continue down, I will be looking down toward this golden pocket, but we have just seen, at least on the 1 minute time frame, a change of structure, right? Lower low, now we just made first our higher high, and we actually did back test this. So next, we're shooting for these highs, and then we can shoot for these highs that we made up here at around 68. Right around here. That would be the next target based on this market structure here, guys. All right, shout out to our winner. Shout out to our winners in the chat. Our winner in the chat and all our past winners. You guys are absolutely amazing. All right, enter the long trade, says Supreme Trades. You know, I'm not going to tell you it's a bad trade, but I can't tell you what to do because that's not my job. All right, only the real people in the chat are left now, but we still got 2,000 people in the chat. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. We've been streaming for over an hour. Huge shout out to Remember God's Love, who says Shiba Dog clapping his hands. Thank you so much for the super sticker. Thank you so much for the super sticker. All right, let's see if we have any other super chats in the house today. All right. Awesome, awesome. All right. Let's check out, let's get more of a macro perspective at what is happening here, guys, because we need to remember, well, first of all, it's a Monday, right? So we can't trust anything, but we do still need to remember that as long as we are holding now the retest of this channel, we could see this kind of thing happen, right? We could. Coming back up to the range high. All right, and additionally, well, I don't even want to say it here. I don't want to say it here, guys. But look, I'm cautious. I'm cautious about all these things, right? Because look, although I am in these longs, I'm still holding the short as well. All right, let's see who we got in the chat. First of all, we got DD in the chat. We got my man asking, am I bearish or bullish? Look, I'm short-term bullish and more medium long-term bearish here. I have been expecting a move up today on Bitcoin. That's why I longed it. I've been expecting a move up on Bitcoin today. But because of the weekly, I'm expecting a little bit more down and sideways, right? So I would like to see a move up today, or maybe in a few days, and then get some more downside. This is my overall perspective on Bitcoin right now. I'm short-term bullish. Short-term, I'm expecting a move up, and then more long-term, because of the higher time frames, I'm expecting a bit more of a downside, right? Because we are printing the weekly red dot on Market Cipher B. We are printing the red dot on Market Cipher B. Huh? What the heck? Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Alright, let's remove all this stuff. Alright, shout out to Falik in the chat. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Blood Diamond on the 4 hour. Alright, okay. Blood Diamond on the 4 hour. Alright, okay. Huge shout out to Joe. Shout out to Kama Kona. Jason, why don't you add to your long? Well, because in order for me to add to this perfect entry here, and this really is a perfect entry, right? I need a lot more conviction, right? I need a lot more conviction. I don't want to ruin my entry. That's why I am not adding to this specific long. The only place I would really add to this long is if we come to the golden pocket and get that bounce, right? And I think right now, based all things considered, it's still probable. All right, we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. All right. Shout out to my man from India. Shout out to Habib. Can anyone help Coinbase app? We got a lot of spammers in the chat today, guys. Shout out to the mods. Do I trade altcoins? Yeah, I do from time to time. I do trade altcoins. I do analysis on altcoins as well. Shout out to Poland. Shout out to Poland. All right. All right, guys. It's been a great stream. We did a $1,000 giveaway. Bitcoin, kind of boring. All right. I am going to head out, but look, God bless you all in Jesus' name and Yeshua's name. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. Make sure to like, subscribe for more opportunities to get some giveaways, plus the juiciest analysis on YouTube. And look, guys, I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my relationship with Jesus very seriously because he gives me eternal purpose and hope in this life, knowing that even though man is in a fallen, sinful state, the Creator himself took on flesh to die for all the bad things we've ever done, and then he rose to life again, so that if we repent and stop doing those bad things and put our trust in him, he will give us his Holy Spirit to fundamentally change who we are so we can become a new creation. And then we also have the hope of a resurrection, a reunification with those who have gone before us, and actually an eternal existence where we have eternal purpose. What an amazing thing, especially in a world that seems so futile and self-destructive. But with that being said, guys, there's a weird bird in my tree. With that being said, guys, I will see everybody in the next stream. Take care and peace.